but a long journey and a lot of work to get to this day. On behalf of Ant Group and all of our partners, we are tremendously excited to be able to announce the Easypaisa digital bank and this license here today, which I think will provide enormous opportunity for us all to innovate and to create new services for every Pakistani. At Ant Group, we believe in financial inclusion and in bringing technology to create new services and products that are digitally enabled for populations around the world. And Easypaisa Digital Bank is going to be a center of that community here in Pakistan. At Ant, today, we serve 1.6 billion customers, individual customers around the world, and serve 90 million merchants. And the 50 million customers here in Pakistan are central to that. And the digitally enabled merchants we plan to grow enormously in the coming years. As part of this, we have 35 digital wallets around the world that have digital payments at their core. And with the digital payment core rails and infrastructure, you serve customers for their daily transaction needs. Not just P2P payments, but P2M payments, and all sorts of transactions online, offline, and in any form that they need. With that core payment capability, you can then offer digital financial services on top of that in a much more sophisticated way. And we have the honor of having 3 digital banks as part of the Ant Group, one in China, in Hong Kong, and in Singapore. We plan on bringing the technology that we had to build those banking services on top of the payment rails to make Easypaisa Digital Bank a true innovator here in Pakistan. The type of services that we can bring range from savings to lending to foreign exchange and remittance, all different types of services, insurance, as Irfan mentioned, that can be truly transformational for this economy. And it begins with, as Honorable Governor, you mentioned, financial literacy. And that's what, with a digitally enabled format, we can provide education to people about how to save, the power of saving, about how to manage their financials and their financial position, and how to do that in a prudent way. And we believe that financial services should be simple, low cost, and available to the many, not the few. And so you have to walk them through the journey, starting with the savings and financial literacy. Then you can enable them with other solutions, for example, lending to meet their cash flow needs and the services that they require. And then better services for cross-border things like remittance into the country, and do that in a very low-cost, technology-enabled way. And you have our commitment at Ant Group to bring the best technology that we have around the world here to Easypaisa Digital Bank to enable all of these services. So the latest blockchain technology, the latest capability in terms of AI, which we've just seen this week, some of the new AI advancements in technology that's coming out of China and around the world, we're going to bring it from everywhere we have a footprint here to Pakistan, and to make a difference for the people of Pakistan and for the merchants of Pakistan here to thrive. We're not only going to bring our technology and our capability, though, to make this journey work. As Irfan mentioned earlier, we are committing capital here as well. In the last several years, together with Telenor, we've invested $319 million into Easypaisa, making it one of the largest foreign direct investments in the banking sector today. And we think with the future opportunity here, there's even more opportunity, with the future opportunity for Easypaisa Digital Bank, there's even more opportunity to expand that and to make it even more prosperous. I do want to commend the State Bank of Pakistan for all that you've done to guide us through this journey. Your oversight and your requirements of the bank we see as very healthy and very fundamental to the growth of this economy. And we could not have done this without your guidance and your continued guidance as we carry this forward. I'd also like to thank the management team of Easypaisa. You guys, it's been a tough journey, a lot of long hours, a lot of hard work, and it's all paid off. Here we are today, and now we can begin to realize the vision that you saw for Easypaisa Digital Bank, and the future begins now. So this is very exciting. At Ant Group, we're going to be your partner. We're proud to stand beside you, proud to be beside you, and you have our commitment to bring the global resources of our firm to help you realize your vision for digital and financial inclusion here in Pakistan. So together we can leverage technology and unlock opportunities to bring a more inclusive financial services world here in Pakistan, and we look forward to working together with all of you to realize that shared goal. Thank you very much.
Beginning of a mission which is to empower digitally and financially each and every citizen of Pakistan. I still remember the day, actually a warm day in April back in 2007, when the whole idea of Easypaisa was born in deep rural Punjab. And with the help of a progressive regulator like State Bank of Pakistan, months later, the first branchless banking license was awarded to Easypaisa. And since then, there is no looking back. Alhamdulillah, today, we serve 50 million Pakistanis. So every fourth Pakistani is an Easypaisa account holder. We're also proud that 31% of that are female members of society. 30 million of those open or log into Easypaisa every month, and about 16 million transact on a regular basis on our platform. We have, last year alone, 2024, digitized over 800 billion rupees. Our customers has transacted over 9.4 trillion on our platform, which is 9% of Pakistan's GDP. We are issuing close to 65,000 loans every day. We have 2.4 million saving customers on our platform already, and our customers have paid over 40 million bills only last year. And yet, I see this scratching the surface. I just see this as a beginning, because this license is not only permission to operate, it's actually to create a bigger mission, which we have, as governors have rightly mentioned, how we can actually empower each and every Pakistani. So this has been truly a remarkable journey, which would not have been possible with the immense support of State Bank of Pakistan. And especially during this phase of digital retail banking, we are immensely grateful for all the support and guidance we have received throughout the months and years. Going forward, we see this as a great platform. We see Easypaisa as a digital platform which is connecting and building the ecosystem. And that's why I'm especially grateful for all the colleagues from the industry and the thought leaders who are here in the room in this beautiful and historic setting. Let's work together to create a new future for Pakistan. We are committed at the back of our digital retail license to innovate, to come up with the products which are useful, relevant for our society and our people. Saving products, wealth products, insurance. Inshallah, we're going to be launching soon the insurance marketplace in Pakistan. And products which has been traditionally out of the reach of many citizens. We were daring back in 2007 when, as a telco, as Telenor, decided to invest into this business. We are grateful to our partners, Ant Group and financials, to come, who joined us in this journey. Together, between the two shareholders, we have injected capital and invested over $300 million in last few years alone. So we stay committed to Pakistan because we see a huge opportunity in this market. A lot of work has to be done going forward. let's be again bold enough for future. Based on SBP's vision, and I sort of invite all the relevant shareholders, because this room can make it happen. In next 4 to 5 years, we can bring, why not, an ambition of 75% of Pakistanis to a banking network. Why not more than, or at least I would say, 50% of the transactions which is happening at the retail, make them digital. Why not empower not just 31% of female entrepreneurs or female customers we are empowering today, half of our population which is left out, so that they can share that reward and value in the larger communities. And why not empower our youth? We are lucky as a nation with a young demographic, median age of 21 years. These kids are digital natives. Not like us, they will adopt digital banking. They will adopt digital financial service. Let's empower them with the power of AI and blockchain, which they can not just sandbox, but also scale, not only for Pakistan, but take those products globally. So with that commitment, we look at this opportunity as a great milestone and pledge that the financial services should not only be for the privileged, it's a basic human right for every Pakistani. And with the support of State Bank and all our colleagues in this room, we look forward to actually embark on that journey. Thank you very much.
It's the first digital retail bank in Pakistan. It has been a collaborative effort between State Bank of Pakistan, us in defining and working towards this vision of innovation and technology-driven product suite that we've been offering in the past. The numbers that you heard from Irfan Saba, Chairman, and Doug speak volumes about the scale that we have achieved and the vision to achieve even more beyond what we have already served in Pakistan, which is 50 million registered account users, right? That's a huge base of customers that we service already today, and a fiduciary responsibility on all of us as we embark on this journey towards digital retail bank to provide even more innovative product suite in spaces like insurance, which is highly underpenetrated in Pakistan, financial inclusion and digital literacy, as you mentioned prior, international remittance, and making that seamless for all Pakistanis in collaboration with Ant Financial Partners and all the aggregators that have already partnered across the globe, right? So the opportunity in front of us is immense. The pie is big enough for all of us, including our senior colleagues in commercial banks and the digital retail banks, for us to make a difference. And our objective is going to be to make the pie bigger around the banked and underbanked customers within Pakistan. And we take this pledge on behalf of the management team, our colleagues across Pakistan, to give our best towards making this a successful venture in the coming years. Now, on behalf of Easypaisa management team and bank, we put together a short video of the impact we have made already in Pakistan, some of the product suites we are about to introduce, and then the unveiling of our new name and logo, which I would like to play future. Thank you again on behalf of Easypaisa management team for giving us this opportunity. We are again honored and look forward to collaborating with you.